Hello children, welcome to English Amazing Assignment classes of grade 4 and today's topic is understanding question number 1 and 2. So the first question is write true or false for the following statements. So let us read the statement here. So what is the first one given here? A. Sid had returned from tennis coaching. Is this statement true or false children? It is false. It is false. Next, B. Sid's mother was not at home when he returned. This statement is true. Next, Grandma asked Sid to eat bread and honey. The statement is false, children. Next, D1. Grandma explained to Sid how honey is made. Yes, the statement is true. Then E. Butterflies make honey. The statement is completely false, no? So write the false here. So next, coming to second question, answer the following questions. In that, A. What does the queen bee do? What does the queen bee do? The queen bee lays eggs and runs the whole hive. That is the answer, children. So, the queen bee lays eggs and runs the whole hive. Okay, this is the A question. So let us see the B question in this. B1. What do the worker bees do? What do the worker bees do? So the answer is they take care of different things such as building the honeycombs and cleaning it, feeding the young ones and making honey. What do the worker bees do, children? They take care of different things such as building honeycombs, H-O-N-E-Y, honey, C-O-M-B-S, honeycombs, cleaning it, feeding the young bees, feeding the young bees and making honey, right? They take care of different things such as building honeycombs, cleaning it, feeding the young bees and making honey. So let us see the C question. Name the liquid that bees collect from the flowers. What is the liquid, children, that bees collect from the flowers? It is called as nectar. What it is called? Nectar. N-E-C-T-A-R. Nectar. Let me write one more time. Nectar. Nectar. Okay. Let us see the D1. Why do bees fan the nectar with their wings? Bees fan the nectar with their wings to remove water. So, bees fan the nectar with their wings to remove water. Next coming to E question. How do bees store honey in a man-made hive? So bees store honey in a man-made hive by building honey combs. Bees store honey in a man-made hive by building honey combs. So children, this is the assignment. I hope you all have understood. Thank you so much.